Welcome back. In this video we shall talk about circular convolution and how it is computed. So circular convolution. So let us define a signal x1 of n, which will be equal to 1 7 2. Let's define another signal x2 of n, which will be equal to 3 6 3. So circular convolution between these two signals x1 of n and x2 of n will be y of n, which is equal to x1 of n circularly convolved with x2 of n. So we shall find y of n, which is the circular convolution of x1 of n and x2 of n. The method we are using to find the circular convolution is called matrix multiplication method. So in matrix multiplication method we write first of all 172, which is nothing but signal x1 of n, 172. In the next row, in the next column, this 2 will come upward, this 1 will come down, and this 7 will come down. So it is circularly rotated. In the next column, this 7 will come upward, this 2 will come down, and this 1 will come down. So the signal is circularly rotated. Multiplied with, this is matrix multiplication, multiplied with x2 of n. x2 of n is 3 6 3. So we shall write 3 6 3. So this matrix multiplication will give us y of n, which is the circular convolution of x1 of n and x2 of n. So let us multiply these two matrices. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3, plus 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12, plus 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. Next row, 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21, plus 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6, plus 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Next row, 271 will be multiplied with 363. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. This is simple matrix multiplication. 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. So this will be y of n. So let us add these values. 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. 15 plus 21 is equal to 36. So we shall write 36. 21 plus 6 is equal to 27. 27 plus 6 is equal to 33. 33. 6 plus 42 is equal to 48. 48 plus 3 is equal to 51. So this is the result of circular convolution between x1 of n and x2 of n, which is equal to y of n. So we have computed the circular convolution between x1 of n, which was 172, and x2 of n, which was 363. So the result of circular convolution is 36, 33, 51. That's all for today. See you in the next video.